Alright, so I will be painting on a wine bottle. I stripped off the label and also I use cleaning wipes, which are alcohol wipes, to clean the surface so there's no oil left. And you want to do that the same thing to your hand so you limit the oil transfer to the bottle. And I will be using glass paint, and I picked fun colors for that. And also I have glass markers and a bigger box of that, which are porcelain and glass and other surfaces, and you can bake that. Obviously we don't want to bake the wine bottle, but if you're painting on wine glass, definitely. So I sketched what I'm going to be painting on the bottle, and I will start painting it, and it's going to be a color, kind of a fun explosion of colors. And because the glass paint is semi-transparent, when the light is passing through is going, you're going to be able to see it from kind of both sides. So I'm hoping it's going to be really cool, and we'll see you on that. All right, so let's begin. So I'm using a round brush. This is like a number 6, and I will emphasize a little bit more on my outlining. Just a tad, not everywhere, but just certain places. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of a background, and it's gonna be very sporadical, so it's not gonna be everywhere, but I'm gonna add a little bit of blue, and it's gonna be mostly on the sides and a little bit on the top. And once this is dry, I'm going to go with a silver, and this is porcelain and glass marker. I will go over on the hair, and I'm gonna add a few little lines here and there. It's gonna be really cool. And if I want to add a little bit of the silver on the side too, what I need to do is I have to add black, because the silver colors are transparent, or any iridescent color is transparent, so you need kind of like a black background, or dark color is a background, but black works the best. So now that looks really cool because you can kind of see it. It's very artsy. It looks like this marker is covering actually pretty well. If I was using paint, I definitely needed the black undercoat, but this marker, it looks like it's covering pretty well. So this is where I'm gonna sign. Here, kind of in disguise in a way. And this is it. I'm gonna pull some of this outside the boundaries, but that looks really neat. So that's that is it. Leave it to complete drying. There's some areas that it's very chunky, so I'm going to have it dry, and actually let me see if I can iron some of those that I feel like there's too much. Yeah, you can totally do that. Just iron them when they're soft. Perfect. Love it. All right, I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button. And that's it for today. See you next time.